Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Labubu Grinch. So let's get started. To draw this cute Grinch, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve going down, just a bit. And then we're going to go ahead as usual to draw this big oval shape underneath it. So the only difference is that this curve, instead of a little bit, just the usual straighter one, we're just kind of pointing it down a little bit more. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here, curve up, and then once again draw this big oval underneath. There. So now that we have that shape in, let's come inside and we're just going to go ahead and draw this big oval right in the center. And let's make them draw so cute Labubu eyes. I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now that I have that, let's go ahead and draw these Labubu Grinch eyebrows. So I'm going to go ahead and continue this out. So this curve, we're going to go up and then curve down. And then this part is going to extend out to say about right here. And let's go ahead and thicken these brows. So I'm going to come right about here and then just zigzag once and connect. So let's do the same thing. We're going to go up towards the center and once again go up, continuing and thicken it up. So zigzag and connect. And then right in the center, you can lightly just draw a little line. There. And then let's come back and draw the nose. So right about here in the center, between the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve and connect in the center. There. Okay, so then of course now we need to draw that huge smile. So let's come about to the center of the eye, come out, say about right here. Same thing on the other side, about right here. And let's draw that big curve underneath the eye. To about right here's the center, and same thing here. There. So now that we have that, we're going to put in this little curve right here, just like the Grinch, to cap it off. And then let's draw the teeth. So before I do that, let's come right here. I'm going to lightly draw a line coming down the center, just like the Grinch. And let's draw the teeth. So we're going to put in 4 on this side. And then 5 on this side. 2, 3, and then 2 smaller ones. There. And then let's go ahead and frame the face. So go up your center and say about right here. I'm just going to draw a little curve and then zigzag, zigzag, and then go ahead and draw this ovalish shape all around everything. Around the brow, around the mouth. So nice and close. Right there. And pop this out a little bit more so I can match this side a little bit better. Okay, So then from there, let's go ahead and we're going to go around underneath these teeth. And connect there. And then let's see here. Let's come, let's say, well, you know what? Let's say this part right here, the top of this part. Let's just come out, and I'm just going to give myself a point about right here because I'm imagining a curve going around. So same thing on the other side, approximately about right here. So for the outside, and if you like, you can zigzag a little bit as you go around. And we want to go really close to the bottom, just leaving a small edge. There. Okay, so now we can go ahead and go up, zigzag maybe, and go up. And let's say about right there, I'll go in a little bit here. This part is a little bit higher, and the reason I'm doing that is because I want the hat to be a little bit lopsided, I guess you would say. So I'm just going to go ahead and come right here. Oops. And draw a curve, bunch of curves, I mean, all the way down to there. And then let's finish this off. So go up and wobble for the trim of our hat. And once again, just going to go all the way down following this. And connect there. And then we can go up to create this Grinch Santa hat. So let's say about right here. We're going to go up to about there, and this part is going to come down. And as it comes down, we're going to sink in a little bit and then come out. And right here, just connect. Adding a little curve right there, and then at the bottom right here, we're going to add zigzag a little bit and make it pointy. There, so hopefully I've captured the Grinch's hat look. And then let's see here, from there let's go ahead and draw the body. So let's find the center once again. So about right here, come down a little bit, and I'm just going to use that to draw this V. And then I'm going to come down again about right here, and I'm going to go up a bunch of these curves to about right here, kind of the edge of the eye. Same thing here. There. So now that we have that, we can come, let's say about right here. I'm going to go ahead and just draw a curve coming down. Same thing on the other side, about right here. So two curves. And a shorter one coming down for the body. And say about right there, I'm going to go ahead once again and just draw a bunch of curves. But it's going to go at a curve as we go. So now we're going to go back up. Thicken it up, wobble, just like the hat. And once again, bunch of curves. There. And then let's find the center, so which is about right here. And let's come in, zigzag, and bring in these legs. And connect. So same thing here. There. And the feet. So let's come right here. And here as well. And of course the hand. So we're going to come right back here and curve down. So this is just part of the sleeve. That's why we're drawing this curve like this. And see about right here, I'm going to go in, pop this out, and curve. And then we're just going to add in this little Labubu hand and in. So same thing over here. Just going to drag this point across. And once again, the hands. And so let's see here. I think that is pretty much it, except I'll add a heart right here. So they're all done. I really hope you love how this cute Labubu Grinch turned out and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did help you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.